to know how I make this delicious agidi, keep on watching. So I'm eating this my agidi with pepper soup, catfish. So keep on watching. Welcome to our YouTube channel. If today is the first time of coming across our YouTube channel, my name is Sharon and you're welcome to Sharon and Chris TV. You're welcome. For my old time subscribers and my new ones, I really appreciate you guys for supporting me always. You guys are there for me. Thank you guys. I really appreciate, and God bless you all. So in today's video we are making agidi, white agidi. So this agidi, you can make it with corn flour, you can make it with fresh corn also. So I'm using this corn flour in making my agidi, and here is the water that I'm going to use in mixing this corn. And I did not have agidi pepper, or I don't know what they call it in our dialect, but you can use plantain leaf, you can use agidi leaf, but I'm using this one. So this is my turning spoon, and this is the pot I will mix it with. So let's begin. So now we are going to open our corn. So I'm using here. So now we are going to add water. So now we are going to add water. Add it little by little so that everything will dissolve, so that you will not have any seed on it. Turn it very well so that there will be no seed on it. I don't think you guys are seeing it. little water more. See, it stayed very well. So now we are going to on our gas and add cold hot water now. So now we are going to add our hot water on it now. So start stirring. You stir so that you will not have any seed on it. This agidi, you can eat it with akara, you can eat it with beans, you can eat it with pepper soup. Me, I'm going to enjoy mine with pepper soup. Stir very well so that you will not have any seeds on it. See, you can see it. Our agidi is almost ready. So now we add water, cool water. So now we add cold water. If you like, you can add salt. If you don't like, you leave it. But I'm going to add salt. I'm adding salt in our agidi. So now we cover it for some time. So you cover it for some time. I'm going to put it here so that it will cool, and I'll show you the result later.